Well, hello everybody. I thought I would bring my Miss Tessa out today. She's, been hiding away a bit lately in her enclosure and not so much sort of showing herself to me that often. She's got to hide, and she seems to like that a real lot at the moment, where she used to be a girl that was out and up on her hammock and laying under the sun and checking things under the sun, under the heat. I guess it's like a sun to her, isn't it? But hello darling. But today I went, Miss Tessa, your belly is okay because you ate a few days ago, and it's time to come on out and have some time. And I don't know if you can see her. She can see herself. What you doing? You're just looking at me. What you doing, darling? What's my girl doing? Those beautiful golden eyes, which you can't see because I'm kind of in the shadows a bit here. But everybody has a little bit of distrust with Tessa. She's darkening at the moment, so she's looking like she's going back into shed. But they all look at Tessa for some reason, and they just see her face and think that she's always got this angry face. And I guess it does look a little bit like that, and her behaviour is a little bit more on the... What, are you going to come up over the camera? Oh, Mum. Are you? Her behaviour is a little bit more iffy to my other snakes. But, once I've had her out for a little while, she's generally okay. I don't have an issue with her anymore. As you know, she was my little sweetie pie. What are you doing? Where do you want to go? You want to go up high, oh Mum? Is that what you're wanting to do? Hey? You want to go up on my shoulders? Hey? Yeah, but, her initial sort of responses are a little bit flighty. Like she's just a little bit uncomfortable. But I've got to know her. And I know that, she's okay. And I'm giving her a little, I'm not doing too much. I love the white. I don't know if you can see that around the sides of her mouth, because she keeps wanting to climb on my camera, but she's just got this white, around the sides of her mouth there, and she is a really, really pretty girl. Oh, why do you keep coming up so close? I should have brought my other camera out and given it a go, guys, because then I could hold two and you could see where she's actually climbing, because she's using that camera as a way to climb. She's interested actually in the trampoline, I think. Or the top of my head, actually. And I keep on having to grab her off my cam. I must remember, I keep forgetting I've got the little GoPro now. I'll get used to it. I have to get it out and have it visible. I'm still trying to tweak it and update it and do things, and I can't do it. So I'm still experimenting a little bit with it. But yeah, I just wanted to bring her out. As you can see, she is really quite dark, and she's generally a lot lighter than this. But she's certainly growing. Bredlis aren't big girth snakes. They're very long and slender. Well, That's how I describe them. Long and slender. I'm kind of hoping, you know, Tess is at the point where I feel she's able to learn the come outside and go to the toilet. And I haven't done a lot of video with her outside, and I should do a lot more. You know, I tend to spend so much time with the bigger guys who are so much more demanding of wanting to come outside and hang out, more so than what Tessa is. So I'm just scooting the ants away. She's climbers. You know, Bredlis love to climb, as you can see. I'm in Zoom, so I'm going to go out of Zoom, but you know, you can see that she just loves high, and yet in her enclosure right now she's spending more time on the ground and hiding. But you know, Tessa does tend to do that when she's going into shed, as does Jack and Maya. Maya's hiding away. She's actually in shed at the moment as well, and should be shedding very soon. Now my Jessie and Lily don't hide away so much, and I have mentioned that before. So you know, whether that's the species itself, because you know they're all carpet pythons except for Maya, of course, but you know, Jack hides, Tessa hides. Here she goes out onto the grass, and it's overcast here today, no sun shining. Hope I'm not covering the speaker, because I never think about where I've actually put my hat. So far oh, what is that, sweet? What is it? You're saying, how do I get up the top there? Hey, there's lots of ants here, darling. Okay. She's like, I want to go up there, Mum. How do I get up the top? Can I use you to get up there? That's what she was trying to do, was use me as a first stepping stone to then going up on the top. I'm trying to get that ant off her. Where are you going to go? Where are you going to go? looking forward to the next year of YouTube and putting up more videos, talking more about my snakes, and of course you guys are watching my guys grow up, you know, because that is what is happening before your eyes. You are watching my guys grow and develop and show you their amazing personalities and their smarts. You know, this is what I wanted my channel to be all about, was people seeing just how very smart they are and how beautiful they are within our lives, with us humans. That is really not natural if you really want to look at it, but to show you that it can be just so natural to have snakes that like being with you, like being around you, and like spending time with you, and they're not afraid of you. They have no fear of you. They actually quite enjoy it. And you know, she is so determined to go up. So I'm going to give her a little bit of a helping hand, because I do know that it is not hot today. I'll just sit you there for the minute. So that's going to keep knocking her in the face, and I'm in Zoom. So I'm going to, you're going to come back. Okay, back the other way, gay. She was just curious about what is this. I've never actually put her up here. So, you know, let her have a go and see what it is, because she was saying to me, hey, what's this big thing up here? So now she gets a chance to see that it's okay. It's just a ground above the ground that she can crawl on. Hey, what do you think? Hey. Whoa. And there's some minor birds come to join us, and there's a lot of them. So I'll just bring her back, because otherwise I'm going to have to jump there and grab her. Sorry, Bob, but those birds, and you're not a big girl, and there's like 8 of them up there checking you out, darling. You're too high up for them. On the ground, you're not too bad. You could hear them. She's like, but I want to go up there, Mum. Why can't I go up there? That's fun. Climber. Total climber. Are you not? Hey, but you're not going in the springs. No. Oh, talk about a gripper. That she is. Hang on. Let's get you back down. Have a look at this. All curled up and no place to go. All curled up and no place to go, Missy. I'm not letting you go that way. You come back to me, please. Okay? Yeah, you crawl on there. Oh, don't you see? Just look. Oh yeah, I'm helping her. But that's where she wanted to go. She's like, hey, don't let those birds spoil my fun. Hey. Oh, gosh. Okay. Alright guys, I'm going to finish off, and I hope you really enjoyed your Christmas. I know I did. Busy in all that it was. Lots of work. That food prep that goes into it. So, take care of yourself and your family. Oh, darling. Okay. And your snakes. It's going to bang you again in the mushka, where it's going to come down with a great big bang. Okay. Ciao.